welcome back to Big Sister Talk. I know you're trying to figure out why you're looking at containers and trash bags, but I am moving in about a month, and I have a closet in my dining room that is very deep, as you can see. And what I have decided to do is clean this closet out, but I don't clean the closet out and repack it. So one of my grandsons has been pulling out the containers, and I'm going through the containers and keeping, decluttering, and repacking. If I'm going to keep what's in there, then it's nothing to do. But some of the stuff I know, I have always wanted to buy a house. That has always been my goal. However, I haven't made it to that point yet. I am moving into a larger apartment, and I need to know what I really, really need to take and what I really, really need to give away. Right? So as you can see, I have old computers here, old computer boxes. I really don't know what to do with the computers. The hard drives, I don't want to give them away because I remember years ago somebody said people can take it and get your data and stuff off of it. So I need to find a proper way to dispose of it. So I'm going to do that. As you can see, that's a container with paper in it, gifts, all kinds of stuff I have in here. Again, I'm going through each container, finding out what I have. If I have too much of something, I'm giving it away. If it's something that's broken, I don't have the other piece to it, I'm throwing it away. I have started to pack up some things. Like I have this hutch here. And inside, as you can see, this is just stuff that don't know what to do. I need to give to someone else. But as you can see, I have, this is painting. We did painting. I keep on thinking I'm opening the drawer with nothing in it. Haha, found one. I have undone some things. I have packed up some things. I realized that because I'm a couponer, at least I call myself a couponer, I have stuff everywhere. And when you're packing, stuff just goes everywhere. I have hair that I bought when I was getting my hair done, vacuums. Now these bags I got from Temu. And one bag I can't remember what I put in this bag. It feels soft. If I can open it up, let's see if I can find the zipper. There go one. Hold on a minute. As you can see, I got all kinds of stuff. It is hard to do stuff in videotape. Here, okay, this is what I have. This is my yarn container where I have all my craft stuff in. Yarn, tape, jewelry making, anything that I did for my business, all my business items. Just a second. I know you're going to be looking at however, I think the bag is pretty big. It's real big for me. I think I got 3 of them for about $11 from Temu. And they're working in hand. This bag here, what I plan to put in this bag is all my good smelling stuff that I'm going to need for the house. Like candles. Hold on. I know you're looking at a wall. Let's see. Really? Sorry about that. In this bag right here, I wanted to put all my candles and good smelling items in here. Let me see if it's going to focus for you. It's not focusing. But you can get the gist of it. Okay? Some things I bought it was giving me a good deal on Glade. And if you don't know what Ibotta is a app in which they refund you some money for buying certain items. So for the deal that was on Glade, Walmart had it for two something, and Ibotta was giving me back $1.50, which made it 99 cents. So It's about 240. So I was just picking those up for my house. I always like my house to smell good. You know, when you're in your house, you don't know that your house has a scent because you're accustomed to it. However, when people come to visit, you want it to smell good. So that's what I was trying to say. But that is what I'm starting on. This is, like I said, I'm moving in a, no, I want to be out of this place by the end of July. That is my goal. I have found an apartment, and we should be moving. Okay, so you'll be coming along with me. It's a little dark. I'm sorry about that. You'll be coming along with me, seeing me pack up stuff, decluttering, and all of that in this. I don't know if it'll be in this episode or I will do several episodes. Okay, but let's get started. This is one of the containers that came out of my closet, and I opened it. It was heavy. Like I said, my grandson was helping me, and this is some stuff that I have packed up that somebody probably gave me, or probably not. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Oh wow, that's a mug. I don't need any more mud, so I'm gonna put that to the side. I don't know why I packed up this particular cup. You know, you sometimes you do stuff, you don't even know why you did it. Or later on you don't know because you didn't make a mental notation. This is a cup. I'm not going to keep that. This is canister. Another canister. I'm going to keep that one. Okay, let's see. Like I said, I have always, what's a bowl, and I think I have plates of that. I have always wanted to be in a house, and I'm going to get me a house, but what I bought stuff to go in a house. I kind of jumped the gun. When it came to buying a house, well, the planning for a house. I bought stuff for a house before I got myself together and realized what steps I need to get in a house, if that makes sense to anybody. But we're not going to dwell on that. I know what to do now, and I'm working on that to get to that dream. Okay? So I just wanted you to see some of the stuff I have packed. I'm going to go through these items here. Oh. And find out what I have. If I have the matching set, if I don't have a matching set, then I am going to give it away. I have a charity that's going to come by tomorrow and pick up some items. So that's what we're going to do. I will come back late. I'll bring you back when I have opened up everything in here and decided what to do. This is container 2. What I've done so far is I have taken out everything in this container here, and I sorted through it. And excuse me. And what I'm realizing that I have dishes, but they don't match, or I don't have enough for a setting. Now I love to set up my dining room table, so if I don't have 4 or something, and if it's not in my cabinet that I currently here, then I'm going to give it away, because somebody can use what I am saving. There's no need for me to save it. So as you can see, I have a lot of, I love this pattern I'm going to keep. That's a saucer. That's 1. Two. I had another saucer somewhere. I'm going to keep on looking. What is this? This is a blue bowl. And that's going to go over here. Because I got another blue bowl over here. There's a black plate. There's a black plate there. I wanted to keep those. I'm gonna see. Okay, these are brown plates. I only got two of those. Two of those. Ah, there goes that other saucer. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. I'm trying to keep the paper so I can wrap it back up. Okay, I'm not gonna keep that. So we're gonna keep on looking and see. I see I have a tablecloth in here. I already have a bag that says place settings, so I'm gonna add that to that. These are some plates that I bought. Somebody had them on the discount and I picked them up. Some more plates. Some more plates. That's a set of 4, so I can keep that. Alright, some more glasses. So, I'm going to go through this. I don't even know why I was saving this. Oh, this is my injector for my turkey. So, I will say that maybe. I'll look and see if I got the needle. I think the most important thing is the needle. Okay? Alright, let's start unpacking. Okay, so this right here is what I am donating. I have put it in a donating box. These are some cups and some plates. You can't see them. I wrapped them up and I just don't feel like unwrapping them. Cups, some clothes. I really put the clothes in here for cushion. And this is one of the containers that I decided I was going to keep. I had canisters for my flour and my sugar. This, like I said, is a tablecloth. And these are seasoning boxes. Well, the jars that you put the seasoning in with the labels. So I had one full container that I end up putting back, and then this is one that's partial, so I'm gonna leave this one out to fill up with other packing things I want to put in there. Okay, so this is the end of packing day 1. And thank you for coming by. Thank you for stopping by with Big Sister Talk, and I hope you have a great day.